Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I am going to show you app library on iOS 14. So let's start. On the home screen you have to swipe to the rightmost screen and that's your app library. Here you can see that all the apps are organized category wise. In the past it was quite hard to memorize all these pages of apps. People usually don't remember apps after the second pages. App library has made our life easier with that. There are more features to the app library. There is a search bar at the top of the screen. When you're looking for any app and you can't find it, you can easily search for it. Just tap on the search bar and you'll see that all the apps are now alphabetically ordered. And you can also search by their name. And due to the introduction of app library, you don't need to cluster all these pages. Now let me show you how you can hide those. Long press on the home screen. Then tap on the dots at the bottom of the screen and you'll see all the pages here. Now unmark all other pages. When you are done, tap on a page. And now all other pages is now hidden. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.